In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in Affinity. So first, of course, open up Affinity Designer or Affinity Publisher. Then next is click on this folder like icon to open up your files. Next is select your PDF file from the documents, then click open. Next here, you can see this setting that says favor editable text over fidelity, so you can check this setting, then click on OK. Now, once the document or PDF file is opened, you can click directly on the text to edit it. And if a font is missing, Affinity will substitute it, but you can change the font in the text panel. Now for images and graphics, you can use the Move tool in the left panel. You can use this to resize, replace, or delete elements just like a regular design from the file. And once you're done, you can export it back to PDF by going to File, then hover your mouse on Export, then click on Export once again. Then next in the left menu, choose PDF. And from here, choose your preset and click on Export. Add the file name and save your PDF file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!